collect the fish. Yeah! Collect the fish. Yeah! And then one final one. Collect the fish. And then say, Soya-sa! Nice. Oh, beautiful. Perfect. So that's what's coming up next. Let's try that all together from the chorus. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Together. 2, 3, 4. Collect. Hey! Collect. Hey! Collect. Hey! Last time. Soya-sa! Woo! Excellent! Can anyone guess what is next in the choreography? All we're gonna do is repeat the chorus one more time. Only one time, so no repeat this time. Just a single section. Yeah, so we just finished. Soya-sa! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, after this, we're gonna jump together. I have to do this myself because I don't know. So we're gonna jump to the right. 2, 3, 4. So 3 jumps to the right. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop here. And then go the other way. 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we're going to feed the fish. So we have we have all the feeder in our hands. So sweep it across. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the other way. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. Look at all these fishermen here tonight. Let's do that together from the end of Soya-sa. Yeah? All right. 5, 6. Soya-sa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then jump. 2, 3. Stop. Other way. 5, 7, 8. Feed the fish. Feed the fish. All right. So this is our final move of the song. We're going to pretend like you're like digging. We're picking up all this really big group of fish. Yeah, so we're gonna do that 3 times. A, A, A. Awesome.
They're loving it.
And then after that, you won't believe it, we gotta repeat the very first chorus again. Yeah, so you guys have all the dance, I'm telling you. Then, so we just go. 1, 2, A. Hey, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, I'm sorry. I swear I made a mistake. At the end, actually, right here, this is the end. So we're just gonna cheer. A, 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 show. Yeah. You guys learned the whole dance already. This is awesome. Let's go from the very beginning together with a count. And then we're gonna try with the music. The music is the whole time. And the music is a little bit faster. So I'm gonna count a tiny bit faster so you can get used to it before the music. Yeah. All right. So we're in our very first position. We wait for 8 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ha! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Together. And A. A. 7. Ready, jump. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Feed the fish. Other side. Then dig the hole. Hey, last time. Hey, 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 hey. Dokoi show. So for Dokoi show, you can do any pose that you want. On a more formal Yosakoi pose, we might do something like this. Very cool. Exhibit A, very cool. Exhibit B, yes, you can do it lower if you want. You can do starfish straight up to the